In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chats in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. If you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you might have accumulated a lot of conversations, and sometimes you just want to start fresh. So I'll walk you through the steps to clear out all your chats in just a few minutes. First things first, to get started, you will want to open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Just type in chat.openai.com in your address bar and hit enter. This will take you to your ChatGPT homepage where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the site, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or an icon representing your account. Click on that. This is where you can access various settings for your account. Once you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's typically towards the bottom of the drop-down, so you might need to scroll a little. This will open a new settings page where you can manage several aspects of your ChatGPT experience. All right, once you're in the settings, head over to the section labeled Data Controls. This is crucial because it's where you manage your data, including your chat history. You'll find this section listed on the left side of the settings menu. Click on Data Controls to proceed. Now for the moment we've been waiting for. In the Data Controls section, you will see an option that says Delete All. This is where all those conversations you want to erase sit. Click on Delete All, and a pop-up will appear to confirm that you really want to delete everything. It's important to note that once you click Delete, there's no going back, so make sure you truly want to wipe your slate clean. After you confirm your decision, just sit back and relax as the system works its magic. Within seconds, your chat history will be cleared, and you'll be left with a fresh start. And there you have it, folks. That's all it takes to delete all your chats in ChatGPT. It's a straightforward process and a great way to start fresh if you feel it's getting a bit cluttered. If you stumbled upon this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support encourages us to create more content that makes navigating tools like ChatGPT easy and enjoyable. Feel free to leave your comments below if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for tuning in. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.